Hey guys, it's Matt with Susquehanna Automotive, and in today's video, I am back with some more Jeep Wrangler news. Now, there's been a lot of news going on, and particularly some things that were pulled away from the order banks, and that's why in today's video, I want to talk to you about the benefits of not waiting to place your factory order. There's been a lot of folks that reach out to me kind of a day late and a dollar short, or they wait a week or two to make their decision, and a lot of the options or trim or even color that they wanted have been removed from our order banks. Now, Jeep, I would say, doesn't do the best job of updating the website, and in fact, you can still go on there and build and price out a 2022 Wrangler with colors and options that are completely gone, as well as different pricing. So I know it is a little bit confusing for you guys sitting at home to go on and build one of these out just to find out that that color or that trim isn't available. Now, in today's video, the first thing that I wanted to talk about is a color that is pretty soon to be removed, and that is the purple rain color. That's been available for the past 2 months or so to order. We've placed a few here, but that is going to be removed sometime this month. They haven't given us a direct date, but they said up through October, which could mean a week before, a week after, or heck, it could mean tomorrow. The next big one that was pulled off the order banks was the Xtreme Recon package for the 392. I noticed that first and foremost the other day, and it wasn't just grayed out like usual, it was actually completely pulled off. So there's not even an option block that's grayed out. There's no option block at all. For a lot of folks, the Xtreme Recon was the thing to get, and I felt like every other month I was telling you it's available, it's not. It's available, it's not, and it seems once again it has been pulled off. You can still order a regular 392 without the Xtreme Recon package. Just know that that package has been pulled for the time being. I will also tell you that there was a little bit of kind of news and rumors, and a little bit of back-end talk that they're going to be pulling the Xtreme Recon from all of the other trims as well, or at least not giving allocation for them. So what that means is for the Rubicon and the Willys, if you wanted an Xtreme Recon, I would say probably not wait too much longer to place an order for one of those. I'm not sure if it's due to the amount of orders they have, due to supply chain issues, or due to just product constraints on those vehicles, but I would say place an order as quickly as possible to make sure that you actually get the vehicle that you want. One thing that we will be bringing to the channel here pretty soon, the 2023 Wranglers that we've ordered a few months ago, we have a lot on the train. We've got a lot sitting down in Baltimore, which is our local port, and they're gonna be here at any moment. So I'm really excited to see one of those in person, have a chance to check it out. I'm not sure how many changes they've made to it or if they've hidden some things on the 392s. We have some of those coming in as well. That's another thing I wanted to bring up. Now that we've seen the Xtreme Recon package go away on the 392, and we potentially might see it go away on the Rubicon and the standard Willys, will they have a 37-inch tire package? I'm sure that Jeep has been following the market, and the Bronco Raptor, I'm hearing a lot of the guys that I know on Facebook are receiving theirs or are set to receive their Bronco Raptors here within the next month or two. Does that mean that by the time those are hitting showrooms and getting outrageous prices for them at dealership lots, are we going to see a Jeep Wrangler competitor with a 37? Personally, I think it would be great timing, but we'll have to wait and see. So as you guys know, the news kind of comes in just as quick as we're recording this, and we recorded this video back when the 4xe day was. So when the Recon came out, when all this new equipment was being offered, but then about 2 days later, Jeep decided to drop a bombshell and release the Willys 4xe. Now, I would have thought they would have released that on the 4xe day, but we have it now. So available for 2023. You can now order, you can build it out on the website, and it seems like Jeep actually lined up everything perfectly where they released it, it's on the website, and we can order it on the back end here. It starts at $53,995, excluding the destination fee, and all the colors that are available right now can be ordered in that trim. So if you guys are looking to build one of those or decide, hey, you know, I want a little bit cheaper of a 4xe to get into, this is definitely a great one. But overall though, that's why the news is so quick, and we love to keep you guys up to date. Now, this one has been a good time, and like I said before, if you guys are interested in placing an order, it's probably best not to wait on the exact package you want. Give me a call, reach out to me. We can get you hooked up and get you a great price, as well as a great deal and a lot of knowledge back behind these Wranglers. Till next time, I'm Matt from Susquehanna Automotive. I'll catch you on the next one.